channel. This is Deepa. If you did not subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe. I'm going to do a giveaway very shortly, and the rules to this giveaway, there is a lot of items. So go check out on my Instagram of the rules of this giveaway. So in this video, I'm going to talk about a brand, one of my favorite brands. So it is nothing but Moha. And I already did a campaign for them for my Instagram, and I really like their face wash, which I'm using it daily in my, I use it after I wake up, so in my morning routine. I really love that face wash. It adds in a glow to your face after you use that. And I also love the Footcare cream, which I have got a video for in my Instagram, so you can check out that as well. But in this video, I'm going to talk about another range of Moha. So the first product that I have is the nail care cream. I'm going to apply and show as well. So it has almond oil, it has flaxseed oil, and it makes your nails look very glossy. So whenever you do a manicure, this comes in very handy, because after your manicure you can apply them as well, or after you remove your nail polish, you can definitely soak in your nails in warm water and apply this after that. So it definitely shows results. And another benefit of this is that when we apply a lot of nail polish, our nails get yellow. So to avoid that, you can start using this. Just going to show the texture and all in some time, but I'm going to show some more of the products of this range. Another one that I have is the Footcare cream, and I already shot a video for this. I'm going to show the video right here of how exactly it is. It's a very good cream, trust me. You also have a little bit brightening as well after you apply this. And it contains papaya, aloe, and it also contains peppermint, which makes your feet very cool. And it also gives a very good smooth texture, and I personally love this. I use this daily. And it also contains aloe vera, and aloe vera is very good from helping you recover from pigmentation, so that is very good. And I highly suggest you guys to check this out. This is one of my favorite products from Moha. And the next one that I have is the Herbal Scrub. This is the Herbal Scrub, and it contains, this is the packaging. It's so cute. You can carry this anywhere. It comes in very handy. And it contains walnut, orange peel, nutmeg, olive, rose. It contains walnut, so walnut is very good for your scrubbing. It's a very good agent. And how to apply this is that just take a little amount and massage over wet face in circular motions for 2-3 minutes. I'm going to show after I remove my makeup how exactly this works. So yeah, so these are the products. Now we are going to open them, and I'm going to show the texture of these. So firstly, I'm going to show the nail care cream, and it smells amazing. It has this Ayurvedic smell, and the creams are very absorbing. So let me show you the texture. So this is the texture like your normal cream. So I just took a little amount, and then I'm going to show the texture. So this is how much I need, and I just like to rub it between my palms so that it generates warmth as well. And it's not necessary that you need to apply only on your nails. Till your palms you can definitely apply this, and just give a good massage. Like you can do this as well. And yeah, it makes your skin so nourished. And with constant washing, our nails try to get very brittle, and they try to get we lose the moisture. So this kind of products help. So they help retaining the moisture. So this is the one. And the next one is the Footcare cream. Obviously I'm just going to show you the texture, but I'm going to show you how exactly you can apply. So I'm just going to show. I really love the Moha packaging. It's so cute. So I'm just going to take a little amount. It has this yellowy consistency, and it contains papaya. Papaya is very good for brightening. So if you have very dark feet, you can also apply this on your knees. If you have dark elbows, you can apply it. You can apply the nail care cream. It's universal. You can apply for anything. So this is obviously for foot, but I'm going to show you how exactly it looks. And this is very good. It's in my after I wax my legs, I use this. So I highly suggest you to check this out. And now coming to the Herbal Scrub, which I'm going to show you when I remove my makeup. So that is it. I'm going to show a footage right here of how exactly it looks, the Herbal Scrub. So I'll see you guys in the next video with more such content with fashion, beauty, lifestyle, hair and everything. So subscribe and join the family. I'm here to share all of my knowledge I have with you. So I'll see you guys in the next video. This is Deepa bidding bye. Bye guys.